Ever planted garlic before? Let's go ahead and do it. Now what I've done is, you want to get these things weathered first. So I put them in the back of my refrigerator, broke them down into cloves, put them in the back of my refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks. Actually, these were about 3 weeks because I forgot them. And then what you do is you take them out. Ooh, smell that garlic. And I'm going to plant them right here in my soil bag. There we go. You plant them about 2 inches deep. So I'm going to put them, let's see, one here. And about 4 inches apart. There. There. And here. Now you plant them with the point upwards. You go, they say about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, but the deeper you go, the better root system they're going to have. So you can see the roots kind of here on the bottom already. Okay. And plant your biggest ones, so you have the better chance of it. There we go. So I just planted 4 of them right here. And they say, and it says that, and after you plant them, be sure to water them to give them a nice head start and get them nice and wet. Let's see, where's my water? Oh, it's hard to get the water down in that area. Let's see, I'm going to have to go around the back probably. I'll go ahead and water that last one in a few minutes. But now we've planted garlic, and this is the best way to ensure that the vampires don't show up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.